'Tis the season again, it's that time of year, when we're all caught up in the Christmas cheer. Fireplaces, presents, excitement and food, everyone's caught up in a festive mood. But where are the others, I hear you ask, as some need to work, they're behind with their tasks. They could have been so much further ahead, winding down for Christmas instead. If they'd taken the time to get organized and had a spreadsheet from these helpful guys, they could be relaxing, unwinding, enjoying the break, instead of working, for heaven's sake. So the moral of the story is to make a decision and get in touch with Spreadsheet Solutions. Then next year, when the others are working, you can spend your time eating stuffing and turkey.